Okay, we're gonna go into the maze. I'm coming.
Oh, okay.
I can.
Which way? Oh no.
Move. Come on, Sienna. Hey, I think she's got it. Come on, keep going.
There aren't any.
Yeah, there was.
Secret ways. Those are double ways?
Yeah, at the beginning. Now, not anymore. There were 2 offshoots over here.
Guys, look at me. Look at Annie. Come on.
Oh, she got it.
Wow, what a genius.
Yay!
Hey, should we test her like a lab rat to see if she'll still go the same way? She replicates her. No, she just wants to go up.